Gachagua blasts government of Malava and Mbeere by election, warns of 2027 political tensions. Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has fired a sharp warning over the handling of the recent Malava and Mbeere North by-election, alleging government interference in the voting process. In a statement released Thursday night, the Democracy for the Citizen Party (DCP) leader accused President William Ruto administration of deploying goons and plainclothes police officers to manipulate the outcomes of the mini polls. Gachagua said the incident in both constituencies are a worrying signal ahead of the 2027 general election, suggesting that the alleged interference is not isolated but part of a growing pattern that threatens public trust in Kenya electoral process. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe.